Happy Friday, guys. I just wanted to share something kind of amazing and also something that comes up as a question a lot. People will ask, can I lose weight without exercising, or can I do this in a surgery recovery situation? We just got done doing a success visit with a gentleman who had a knee surgery and has been in recovery mode for the last month. During that month, he's lost nearly 29 pounds. And so not only is his recovery, in my opinion, going to be a whole lot more effective, but he'll likely have this just continue and keep kicking butt. And so for the people who are questioning, can I safely lose weight without having to exercise? Absolutely you can. There are some people that just are not ready to exercise, and a little bit of a good motivating loss of weight can make a huge difference. And other people who are thinking about surgery, I can promise you your recovery will be better when you don't have to carry around the extra pounds. That new joint will thank you. And so if you have any questions, reach out. We'd be happy to help, and I hope you have an awesome Friday. It's thankfully a beautiful sunny day. Enjoy it.